2, 1,
Hello
go!
everyone, here I am Nausinara Banu. Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Educational Support. So friends, please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon to get next video. Today I like to talk about biology MCQ questions and answers for medical entrance exam. Be with me till the end, so let's get started. First question is, the blood does not clot inside the body because of, and the options are oxygenation of blood, movement of blood, heparin in blood, and last one is absence of fibrinogen in blood. And the answer is option C, heparin in blood. Because a blood clot is actually the thickened mass from the blood platelets and stops the blood profusely out of any cuts or wounds. However, in general or in healthy condition, blood does not form clots inside the body due to the presence of heparin. So what is heparin? Heparin is an anticoagulant that is secreted by the basophils and mast cells of the blood. Since this is released into the blood vessels because it prevents the formation of clots in them. So the correct answer is heparin in blood. Next question is, hemophilia is an organic disorder, a metabolic disorder, a genetic disorder and a hormonal disorder. So the answer is a genetic disorder. Do you know what is hemophilia? Hemophilia is usually an inherited bleeding disorder in which the blood does not clot properly. This can lead to spontaneous bleeding. Blood contains many proteins called clotting factors that can be helped to stop bleeding. This picture represents that male have one X and one Y chromosome and female have two X chromosomes. Males inherit X chromosome from their mother and Y chromosome from their father. But female inherit one X chromosome from each parent. So the answer is hemophilia is a genetic disorder. Next question is, mark the factor which does not affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. And the options are mutation, Sewall-Wright effect, random mating and natural selection. And the answer is random mating. So what is Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? The allele frequencies in a population can be predicted by an equation called the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. So why does random mating does not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? The Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium states that in a large random mating population that is not affected by the evolutionary process of mutation, migration or selection, both the allele frequencies and the genotype frequencies are constant from generation to generation. So the answer is random mating. Next question is, which of the following is made up of dead cells? And the options are collenchyma, phloem, phloem and xylem parenchyma. And the answer is phloem. Do you know what is phloem? Phloem is the tissue made up of dead cells filled with tannins. It is the outermost layer of bark which is produced by phyllosene or cork cambium. It arises from the hypodermis or from the outer layer of the cortex. So the outside cells become dead and known as phloem. The inner side cells are differentiated and contain chloroplast. These cells are called secondary cortex or phloderm. So the answer is phloem. Next question is, in mitochondria, a small knob-like structures called F particles are present in, and the options are outer membrane, inner membrane, outer compartment and inner compartment. And the answer is inner membrane, because the inner surface of the cristae is situated a large number of knob or globular shaped particles are called Racker particles, which have been identified as F1 particles. So what is the function of F1 particle? F1 particle plays a very important role in the production of ATP molecules, as it contains an enzyme called ATPase. So the correct answer is inner membrane. Next question is, which of the following is a prokaryote? And the options are bacteria, fungi, protista and plants. And the answer is bacteria. Do you know why bacteria are classified as prokaryotes? Because prokaryotes are simple cells that lack a nucleus or are the outer membrane bound organelles. So what is nucleus? A nucleus is a type of organelle that holds DNA. All prokaryotes are single cell organisms, have a plasma membrane and the genetic material of the cell, that is DNA. However, their DNA floats in the cytoplasm in a nuclear region rather than being contained in a nucleus. So the answer is bacteria. Next question is, in the human body, fats are stored in the epidermis, adipose tissue, liver and epithelium. And the answer is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is a loose connective tissue composed mainly of fat cells called adipose cells or adipocytes. It is found mainly under the skin but also in deposit between the muscles, intestines, etc. The fat stored in adipose tissue comes from dietary fats or in produced in the body. This is the figure of hormone signaling in adipose tissues. So when hormones signal the need for energy, fatty acids and glycerol are released from triglycerides, which is stored in fat cells, that is adipocyte cells, and are delivered to organs and tissues in the body. Next question is, a cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzymes is lysosome, microsome, ribosome and mesosome. And the answer is lysosome. Because lysosome are small vesicles which are bounded by a single membrane and contain hydrolytic enzymes in the form of mixture crystalline or semi-crystalline granules of 5 to 8 nanometer. So the cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzyme is lysosome. Next question is, which of the following structures is not found in a prokaryotic cell? And the options are mesosome, plasma membrane, nuclear envelope and ribosome. And the answer is nuclear envelope. Because a prokaryotic cell is characterized by absence of an organized nucleus and by membrane-bound cell organelles. DNA is naked, that is without a nuclear envelope, and lies variously coiled in the cytoplasm. It is commonly called nucleate or genophore. So mesosomes, plasma membrane and 70S ribosome are present in a prokaryote cell, and nuclear envelope is not found in a prokaryotic cell. Next question is, when the left ventricle in the human heart contracts, the blood moves to the, and the options are brain, pulmonary artery, aorta, and lungs. And the answer is aorta. Because the deoxygenated blood is going to be drawn into the upper chamber of the heart, that is right atrium. Then this is going to be the right ventricle throughout a valve called tricuspid valve. From the right ventricle, this deoxygenated blood going to be the pumping throughout the pulmonary artery into the lungs. And we know that in lungs, this deoxygenated blood is converted into oxygenated blood by the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. And from the left atrium, this oxygenated blood is drawn to the left ventricle through a valve called bicuspid valve. So when the left ventricle is contract, this oxygenated blood is drawn to the body through the aorta. So when the left ventricle in the human heart contracts, the blood moves to the aorta. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you for your support. In my next video, I will going to discuss more biology MCQs questions and answers for medical entrance exam. So please like, comment, subscribe and press bell icon to get next video.